In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate WhatsApp in Zoho CRM. This step-by-step guide is designed to help you smoothly set up this integration, enhancing your CRM capabilities by merging a powerful communication tool like WhatsApp into your existing workflow. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Zoho CRM homepage. Once you're there, log in with your credentials to access the main dashboard. With Zoho CRM already open, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find the Marketplace option. Go ahead and click on it. The Marketplace is where you can find various extensions and tools to add additional functionality to Zoho CRM. Once you're in the Marketplace, locate the search bar, which is typically placed prominently for easy access. You'll need to type WhatsApp into it. This will filter through available extensions specifically for WhatsApp integrations. From the search results, find and select WhatsApp for Zoho CRM. This is an official extension designed to bridge the two platforms effectively. When you click on it, you'll be taken to the extension page that provides more details about what this integration includes. Now, on the extension page, look for the Install button and click on it. Before proceeding with the installation, make sure you review the privacy policy and terms of service. It's important to understand the conditions under which the extension will operate. Once you're comfortable, check the boxes to indicate your agreement. After that, you might be prompted to click Install again to reconfirm your choice. This double confirmation step ensures that you're aware of the changes being made to your CRM environment. Next, you'll see options to validate the integration. Here, you'll need to check the necessary boxes to confirm that the integration settings align with your requirements. Once confirmed, click on Continue to install. This action will advance the installation process and you'll soon be prompted to manage access controls. At this stage, select which users or profiles within your organization should have access to this new integration. Choosing the right personnel to have access ensures that communication via WhatsApp is streamlined and secure. Finally, the last step in this process is to click on Confirm to finalize the setup. This will complete the integration of WhatsApp into Zoho CRM. With everything set up, your team will be equipped to leverage WhatsApp's communication features directly from within Zoho CRM, improving efficiency and ensuring seamless customer interactions. Thank you for watching this guide on integrating WhatsApp with Zoho CRM. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers your team to achieve even greater results.